Hello everyone, switching to Tesco Mobile and want to keep your number? No problem. In this quick guide, I'll show you the simple steps to move your number hassle free. Let's get started. If you bring your own mobile, make sure it is carrier unlocked and compatible with Tesco Mobile. Buy a new Tesco Mobile SIM, completed registration and raise port request by providing required details. Step 1. Verify carrier unlock status. For iOS, open the Settings app, go to General, then About, scroll down to find the Network Provider Lock section. If it says No SIM restriction, your iPhone is unlocked. If it indicates any restriction, the phone is carrier locked. For Android, open the settings, go to network and internet or connections, then tap on mobile network, go to network operators or choose network, turn off select automatically. If you see a list of available networks, your phone is unlocked. If only your current carrier's network appears, it is likely locked. Step 2. Check compatibility. You can check the device's compatibility by contacting Tesco Mobile Support and providing your IMEI details. On iOS, open the Settings app, go to General, then About, scroll down to find the IMEI number listed. On Android, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on About Phone or About Device. Alternatively, you can dial *#06# on the phone app to display the IMEI. Contact Tesco Mobile by phone. Customer service from Tesco Mobile, call 4455. It's free. From any phone, call 0345 301 4455. Operating hours. The Tesco Mobile customer service team is available during Monday to Sunday, 12:45 p.m. to 1:45 a.m. IST. Step 4. Buy new Tesco SIM. There are two types of SIM available. Tesco SIM only contracts offer lower monthly rates with fixed data plans and a commitment of 12 or 24 months, ideal for regular users. In contrast, Pay as you go PAYG provides flexibility with no long term commitment, allowing users to control spending through monthly rocket packs. Go to Tesco Mobile SIM page, choose your SIM category, SIM only contracts or pay as you go SIM or latest SIM deals. Here I selected SIM only contract. Choose your plan and click add button. Choose your option with or without club card. Follow on screen instructions to complete the checkout process. If you want to enroll in Tesco Club Card, click on You sign up here link to register and buy a club card. During checkout, you need to provide club card number. Tesco Club Card is a loyalty program that rewards customer with points for purchase which can be redeemed for discount and exclusive offers. Step 5. Create Tesco mobile account. Wait for a SIM to receive. Once received, they log into your Tesco mobile account. Start the registration process at My Tesco Mobile using your new Tesco mobile number 089. Step 6. Initiate porting process. Go to the Move My Number section and follow the steps which take about 10 minutes. Keep both your old and new SIM card ready for the process. A verification code will be sent via text to your old SIM, the number you are porting. Enter the verification code to complete the process. If preferred, call 1903 for assistance and ensure you use the number you wish to port. Step 7. Insert the SIM. The transfer usually completes within 2 hours during porting hour, Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., Saturday, Sunday and bank holidays 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. You will get confirmation message to your old phone. Once transfer is completed, insert the Tesco mobile SIM into your phone to continue the service. Contact Tesco Mobile by phone. If you find any difficulties during transfer, the number you need to contact Tesco Mobile service for further help. Customer service from Tesco Mobile, call 4455. It's free. From any phone, call 0345 301 4455. Operating hours. The Tesco Mobile customer service team is available during Monday to Sunday 12:45 p.m. to 1:45 a.m. IST.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.